Hello everyone, welcome back and let's back to our top 50 plus Java interview question and answer series. In this video, we are going to discuss our next question and that is the question number 8. So let me show you what is the question number 8 here. You can see here in question number 8, we have to reverse each word of a string using the stream API. And this is one of the question which frequently asked in any Java interview. And this question recently asked in the WIPRO company interview as well. So let me show you how we can write the logic for this. So to write the logic, what I will do here, first I will create one string. So I am going to write string str is equal to I like Java. Now you can see here, I have one string and this string have the three different word, I like and Java. So now we have to reverse each word from this string. So to reverse each word of this string, what I will do here, first I will break this string into the array of a string. So let me break this string into the array of a string. So here I will write array of a string and will break this. So now you can see here, I break this string into the array of a string and here I will get the three different string and that is the I, like and Java. So now after break this string into the array of a string, now we have to reverse each word here. So let me write here reverse of a string and once you will reverse this, so once you will reverse I, it will become I and once you will reverse the like, it will become EKIL and once you will reverse the Java, it will become AVAJ. So now you can see that I reverse each word of the string. But here still this word are in the array of a string format. So now we have to combine this each string into a single string. And once you will convert this array of string into a single string, you will get your expected output. So here my final output will be I, EKL and AVAJ. This is your final output. So now let me show you how we can implement the same thing in the code. So for that, now let me quickly jump to the IntelliJ. Now in the first step, we have to break this string into the array of string. And here I'm going to write the code based on the stream API. So even I have to convert this string into the stream as well. So for that, what I will do, I will call the off method of the stream interface. So here I will write stream and then I will write off. And you can see here inside the off method, we have passed some value. So here inside the off method, I'm going to break this string into the array of string. And how you can do that? So to break this string, I will write str and to break the string, we have method that is the split. And you can see here the split will accept the regex. So here now we have to pass the regex as well. So here I'm going to pass the regex as a empty space. Why empty space? Because I want to break this string based on the space itself. So now our string got converted into the array of a string. So first step completed. Now we have to reverse each word. To reverse, I'm going to call the reverse method. So as you know that inside the string class, we don't have the reverse method, but string buffer class have the reverse method. So now we have to create the string buffer object from this array of a string. So how we can do that? So for that, I'm going to call the map and inside the map we have to pass the lambda expression. So here inside this I'm going to create the string buffer object and for that I'm writing new string buffer and now we have to pass the string value here, so I'm passing that. Now I can able to call the reverse method here. Now after calling this reverse method, each word of this string got reversed. So my second step also completed. So up to here, reverse of a string IEKIL Java, this step completed. Now we have to combine this array of string into a single string. And for that, what I will do here, I will call one more method that is the collect method. And inside the collect method, I'm going to call the collectors. And on this collectors, I'm going to call the joining method. So this joining method is responsible to convert the array of a string into a single string. So now we'll get a single string. So now I completed all the steps. Now I'm going to assign the result of this into one of the variable. So for that, I'll write here string and reverse. Now let me quickly print this value. And to print this value here, I will write the system.out.println and the shortcut here is out. So I'll write the out and then here we'll write some message. So reverse each word of a string and we'll write this reverse. Now let me run this. You can see here I'm getting my output, but you can see in this output we don't have the space. I was expecting the output in this format, I space EKIL space AVAJ. But here you can see that, so here I'm getting the output IEKIL Java, but there is no space between each word. So to give the space, what I will do now here, I will pass one delimiter inside the joining method. And what delimiter I will pass it? So I will pass the space. So now once you pass the space, while joining every array of string into a single string, they will give the space after every word. So here now let me run again and let me show you what is the output here. Now you can see that I'm getting my expected output. IEKIL Java. So this is a way how we can reverse each word of a string into a single string. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please share this video with others who is preparing for the interview. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video with one more new question.